course, it's exciting. We're happy that they're back to work. We're sorry that it was the tragedy that brought it to a halt. But everybody in Oak Island is excited that we're back on track and moving forward.
After 5 months of no action at the new Oak Island Bridge, North Carolina Department of Transportation officials gave construction workers the go-ahead Wednesday to start preparation for erecting concrete girders.
They're preparing. They're moving equipment and personnel back in and preparing to set a girder sometime early next week.
After meeting at the bridge site for more than 2 hours, officials approved the contractor's new drawings for the bridge construction.
The purpose of this meeting was just to review the revised shop drawings that the contractor has submitted after the report came back, making all the changes that were necessary. We took this time to review the drawings and make sure all the questions from both the contractors and DOT were answered.
DOT halted work in December after one of the concrete beams collapsed, killing 1 worker and injuring 2 others. Officials with the contracting companies Barnhill Contracting and Lee Construction said they expect to start lifting the first girders early next week.
We're working on miscellaneous materials, putting together what is called the strong backs and testing those, and then hopefully by the first of the week with the remobilization of another crane that we'll be able to start setting the girders again and move on.
They'll erect all the girders on this side, and then there'll be a lag while they mobilize to the other side. So.
After the girders go up, the contractor will submit a new schedule for completion. The original date was set for the end of this year, but officials are unsure if they'll be able to meet that deadline.
I am discussing with Lee Construction, who's our sub in charge of the bridge, their schedule to see how they can accelerate it to meet the goals. So that's what I'm looking for.
It's been a long process of going back to work, I think longer than all of us thought, but our main concern is when we go back to work, we want to assure that we're going back and what we're doing is safe.
Hopefully they're going to get it completed pretty close to the deadline that was original. So